Welcome to Straight Talk. In this video, we will show you how to navigate the various features of the website. To log in, simply click Login in the upper right, enter your email address and password into the provided fields, then click Login. Upon logging in, you will be brought to your home page. On the left, you will see your communication style, your name, email address, and the date you last completed the survey. You will also see the Where Do I Go From Here button, which walks you through inviting people to Straight Talk and how to compare styles with them. Below that, you will see your personal connections and your team connections. You can click the arrows to collapse or expand the sections. If you click any of the names here, you will instantly see the person's communication style and have the option to compare styles or to remove that connection. You will also see a button to email that person. In the middle of the page, you will see your scores for each of the 4 primary communication styles and your specific communication style. On the right, you will see links to the FAQ, the feature overview, the link to retake the survey, and a link to contact the site administrator for help. You will also see a button for the Straight Talk video workshop and a section for your notifications regarding invitations sent to you, pending and accepted invitations you have sent, as well as any important site and account notifications. When you click Read About My Style, you will learn about the characteristics of your communication style, as well as a few tips to communicate more effectively. For a more in-depth understanding of your communication style, click the View My In-Depth Results button. The Straight Talk survey measures your preference for each of the 4 primary communication styles: director, expressor, thinker, and harmonizer. Your total score for each primary style can range from 8 to 40. The higher the number, the more often you display that style of communicating. The Straight Talk system generates an in-depth profile based on your scores. You can click on each of the icons to learn more about the 4 primary styles of communication. At the bottom of the page, you will see the Compare Styles button, which will take you to the Compare Styles page. Anyone you invite who completes the survey will show up in your Compare Styles tab. You'll be able to see their specific style, read a little about it, and see tips they can use to improve their communication. When you click the Compare button next to their name, you'll see a detailed profile of your communication relationship with that person. You'll be able to sort by grid type to see where you each land on the basic styles grid or on the specific styles grid. You can learn how you relate and how to improve your communication based on your scores in the 4 primary dimensions of communication. You will also see an email button so you can email your thoughts to each other after you've compared styles. Clicking the Team Profiles tab allows you to see all your contacts' communication styles on one grid. You can learn more about each person's specific style, or you can compare styles directly from this page. There are two grid types. The first is the specific grid type, where you can see everyone's specific communication style, and the second is the basic grid type, where you can see everyone's primary communication style. Once you have created or joined a team, you can click on the team name to view all team members on the grid and see what the communication dynamic is within the team. You can click the View Team Scores button to view a report of each team member's score breakdown and specific style. You have the options to print the report and to download the report as a CSV file. Back on the Team Profile screen, you can click on the Team Profile Report button to request a personalized team report which contains more information about the team's communication styles, tips for managing conflict, and a personalized report for each team member with an in-depth comparison of their style to each of the other team members. Please allow Leading Resources 2 to 3 business days to process your request and send the reports to you via email. Straight Talk is a powerful tool to build teamwork and improve team communication. To create a team, simply click the Manage Teams tab and select Create New Team. Enter your team name and description, then click Create. You should then see your new team listed on the Manage Teams page under Teams I Own. Click on the team name to view the team information. You will see options to invite people to this team, rename this team, organize members, change owner, and an option to delete this team. There is also an option to create sub-teams, with a button that explains what a sub-team is. When you click on Invite People to this team, you will be brought to a new screen. All the teams you own will be listed here as options you can select, with the current team already selected. If you'd like to invite a person to all of your teams at once, simply check the box next to Teams, or select the specific teams you'd like to invite the person to join. Then simply enter the email addresses for the people you'd like to invite. Click the Add New button if you need to enter more email addresses. You can also add a personalized message. Click Preview Your Message to preview the body of the email. Click Send to send the invitation email. Any invitations that have been sent but not yet accepted will appear here under Pending Invitations. You can choose to resend or delete the pending invitation. Once a person accepts your invitation and completes their assessment, they will become part of your team. There is a separate section under Manage Teams for Teams I've Joined, where you can see information about the team, including the list of members. Click the Account button in the upper right to access your account and subscription information. Under Account Info, you will see your email address, current number of connections and teams, and your last login. When you click Manage Account, you will be able to update your name and whether your email address is visible to others. You can also change your password. Under Current Subscription, you will see your current tier level, the monthly cost, the date you subscribed, your next billing date, and the maximum number of connections and teams allowed at this level. When you click Manage Subscription, you will see your subscription history as well as your upgrade and downgrade options. Click Payment Methods to add or change your payment method. When you click Invoice History, you will be able to see an invoice for each of your previous payments. You can click on the invoice link to download a PDF file of the invoice. Click the Store tab to view all the Straight Talk training materials available, including the Straight Talk book, the video workshop, and the trainer license and workshop materials. As you will see back on your home page, there is also an option to request an LRI-facilitated Straight Talk workshop for your company. Send an email to office@leadingresources.com to submit the request. Please feel free to reach out for assistance by clicking the contact button in the upper right corner of the home screen. You can also click the Send Feedback button in the upper left corner to submit questions or comments about Straight Talk.